Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 C300 4MATIC Cabriolet. This one is a lunar blue metallic. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has illuminated star in the front of the grille, front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Silk beige MB Tex interior with a dark linden wood trim. 4MATIC badging, C300, blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel control, Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, multimedia package with navigation and voice command, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, NFC wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, a retractable button for the soft top, our parking cameras. This C300 Cabriolet has 5,786 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.